from the outside, what you see is a company that's been around for 75 years, is a great brand. But as you get in and you see how this company works and works together, it's the people that really, really make a difference, that make this a special place to work.
The people at Instron are actually very unique.
A lot of the people are intelligent and intuitive and have a story of their own, and they're willing to share it with you.
I've never met a group of people who are more curious and passionate about what they're doing.
Everybody just seems to take a lot of pride in what we do, and that's palpable. You can really feel it.
Instron as a company has always offered an environment that allows a person to maintain their own personal legacy.
It was one of the only jobs that seemed to give you a lot of room to really explore what you were interested in.
The culture here at Instron is supportive, inclusive, it's collaborative, and we have a set of values that we truly live by.
You can see in the factory behind me that we have people from many different locations, many different backgrounds, experiences, and we work really well together.
The ERG employee resource groups such as YPN, the Young Professionals Network, the Pride at Instron, iWin, really helps to bring the diversity to the forefront.
At the end of the day, I get to know that what we've done every day helps support a strong world, a non-breaking world.
Instron.
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 The difference is measurable.
The difference is measurable. Today, smile at the end, I don't know.
Instron. The difference is measurable.